The first church
is the family.
is your family.
Yeah. Na into engifuna ukuthi abafundisi namhlanje ukuthi ibaleka kangakanani your church is your family. Yabona? If you fail
Zulu Makeba siyanibingelela ekseni ngegama lomfilo wethu Jesu Kristu ku 013 Golden Circle.
yes sir.
Masicela sibuyise siqale ngomama ladies first. Njani mama?
Hayi ngiphilile.
Siyabonga baba.
Siyaphila. Thank you for asking.
No siyabonga ukuthi sinika lethuba to welcome you in your beautiful home. Ukuthi sizokhulumisana nani. Asifuna ukuyithatha kancane noma sithathe for granted ukuthi wonke umuntu uyanazi. Mainly ngikhuluma ngabantu local and even international ukuthi mhlambe banga abantu esikhathini esiningi abafundisi bethu sibakha phezulu. But we thought this is an opportunity ukuthi sinazi better and then nokuthi sazi ukuthi we have this archive live the next generation can hear direct who are you, niqale kanjani, nihlangene kanjani, nikhule kanjani, what are the challenges you faced nize nifike la nikhona nemvumo kababa size mhlambe umama kancane asitshele just a little bit background ukuthi usisithembi ubani.
Usisithembi ukhulele khona la Witbank wakamabhena. Ekhaya bakwazi abaningi. Kodwa engakusho ngidlula nje ukuthi la sicale khona nala sihlangane khona. Kahle besazana. Because sifunde sonke isikolo. Same class, sahlala sonke deskini eli1. Mina nomngane wami besimfaka phakathi sihlala naye but then bekungana next between us until later. I think 1981 where sahlangana lapho. And then masihlangana yazi ke ugrayisana nani until waze wangisoftina kwaba right. And then going forward 1984 because we got serious we got married.
Wow.
Yebo.
Baba ikuphi okushiyayo?
I know. Kunjalo ubeka njalo. Iqiniso lona. Kodwa wangidrayisa man. Mangimshela mangimpropose wangidrayisa. But the day athi yeah. Oh. Ngumula si bukune shop lapha stadium. Ngine stadium bukune shop lapha. Angiyangena ngithi ngithenga ama sweet. Ngibanikeza 20 rand. Buke imali eningi dala 20 rand. Yeah. Plus minus lama sweets wena mthambi akabiza la kuboma 5 rand. Ngakhohle change. Excited ukuthi sela bese bangicomile. Bangivumile. Ngahamba. Ngendlela bengilinde that day lokuthi athi yes. Yeah.
Oh that's good. That's great Bob. And then by that time besenqalile ukhonza.
By that time besengaqala besiqalile ukhonza. Yes besiqalile ukhonza. Yeah besiqalile ukhonza. Yeah mina besenqalile ukhonza ngise Victory Fellowship Church. Yeah mama say Assemblies of God.
I didn't even know that. Yeah. Age bekanani so mhlambe mama?
You were very young. I was 19 at the time.
When? Okay.
At the time I was
23.
22 years.
Okay.
Because in 1984 my celebrator white wedding yet being now 23 years. 24 years, yes. Mama by then mbagala more 20 years, yeah.
I was 20 going to 21 the same year.
Oh, okay. But the pressure between the coaching those days.
Bongana pressure engako. Yeah. Yona bekhona but ngiyabona mina ngibuye Victory Fellowship ipressure mhlambe bengapha kibo Assemblies of God.
Yeah.
Yabona. Ngapha kithi no hayi beba more civilized and not really lenient ba more scriptural. Yabona ukuthi uma umuntu athanda umuntu, why should we sit on his neck and oppress that person uma bayazi into abayenzayo?
I'm very interested to find out ukuthi transition from that time to where you're studying a ministry ibe kanjani, especially coming from different backgrounds.
It was difficult because we were young. When he proposed, azange angitshela ukuthi uzoba mfundisi.
Okay.
Mina bengiyoshada nendoda engasiwumfundisi. And then got married May. And then we went to Begune conference.
Spring Thanksgiving.
When we come back, ungitshela ukuthi yena une calling, he's studying a ministry. Same year sishade ngayo. Kahle kahle mina ngifana nomuntu ophonsela swimming pool ongakwazi ukududa. Because I'm marrying a man, and then the next thing kune calling uyoba mfundisi. Yes, kuhle kona, but I'm not ready for that. So 1984, later, November, we're starting a ministry.
So baba, that time when umama makavuma bowazi ukuthi unecalling.
Mina bengazi, no, definitely, yeah, I knew. Bengazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungibizile. Mfana ngibe ku ministry. I knew about it.
But the challenge those days bewangekho ama-ministry almost ukuthi nibe ne-confidence ukuthi niyoqala ministry kuphi kanjani besibuya kuma-mainline churches.
Yeah.
How did you handle that transition ukuthi confidence ukuthi bazoza abazalwane?
My late spiritual father, Dr. Isaac Mthweni, bengisebenza naye in the ministry. Ngiseva kuye. Now he made life yami ministry ibe very easy because maka ushumayela ngihamba naye masiphumile uyangijuda ukuthi shumayela ndoda. Ngikhumbula ngishumayela ku nurses home, ngikhumbula ngihamba naye ngisoshumayela eBushabelo Teachers College, yeah, training college, yeah, ngishumayela ngihamba naye, yeah. Lokho wanginika confidence because he was very close to me, to mentor me, to groom me as my spiritual father.
Yeah, bengifisa ukungena kule spiritual father ukuthi sithi kancane, but bengifisa nje ukuthi mhlambe singasheshisi divert ngikhuluma nomama kancane ukuthi then what was going through your mind sisiya ku ministry, did you because kunenye igap engiyibonile kulekho kwama-mentor uma mfundisi ukuthi how did you handle that?
Kahle kahle njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina I was like somebody ongakaze swim but was thrown in the swimming pool to swim. So give me it was like that because okokuqala Assemblies of God I was not actually involved in anything except for the choir because I once served in the choir, but it was nothing like khona ukufundisa phakathi or khona ini, you know. So my getting into the ministry with him, it was like, but uNkulunkulu amuhle, when we started the ministry, ngathi let me get involved nami ngaya ku Sunday school, and then from Sunday school mangathi ministry bangcono because ministry nayo ingenye indlela. As a pastor yourself, you know what ministry. So I started to go Sunday school, and then nangibona Sunday school ngathi kuba right. We got somebody to be responsible ngaya ku youth and then young adults, just to help out in the ministry. Though Sunday school engibala, it was not abantu abangako, low 5, 6 abantwana, and then you know.
But uyenza kanjani? Is anyone mentoring you?
No, I didn't have any mentor. Njoba ngisho nje ukuthi yonke into nje ngangiyifunda as I go. Yabona, as you go. Mina kimi it was learning as I go. Ngizifundela futhi. No manual, no one to say no, makuso senza so. But
pressure from baba kubamba kumama nani. There was no pressure.
There was no pressure because bebakhona abantu abadala laba, because into engayenza ukuthi azange ngifuna ukuthi bathi ngingumfundisi and then sengibamba yonke into. So we had abantu abadala masicala iministry abomamnisi nabanye abomama who were helping. Njalo I would say, hayi mamnisi angisho yazi msishumayela wena, you know, ngiphushela bona phambili because I was very young and yazi ukuthi uma umncane and ufika ku ministry into eziningi awukakazazanga, into eziningi awukakabanga ne-confidence ukuzenza. So bengiphushela labo mama and lokho kwangisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngi-understand ukuthi i-ministry it's not for umuntu oyi-one. I-ministry you do it collectively nabanye abantu abakhona ukukusiza ukuthi the ministry igrowe. Like impilo nje itself, it needs you ukuthi ube nabantu abakusizayo ukuthi ukhule. So it was like that and it yayenza impilo yami ukuthi ibe easy ukuthi I knew ukuthi bakhona abomama bani when coming to inkonzo zabomama bakhona bani because mina bengi kakhulu ngapha kubantu abasha and then nakhona ukuya ngase ngiyangena kancane kubomama until ngelinye ilanga wangiphonsela kwenye azazi sangiphonsela swimming pool wangithatha wangiphonsa olwandle wathi kimi uprepare uzoshumayela esontweni and then I was like no, I need to start somewhere, at least let me make an announcement or something just to boost my confidence because I've never been. And then I've done it. I think it was after Boma 5-6 years because esikhathini esiningi besaka nokuphuma abize nabanye abafundisi ukuthi bakhona ukushumayela afake bona and then he felt ukuthi I need also to train you to do something. And then one day wathi kimi namhlanje manje uyoshumayela. And then I started. And then what I really appreciate ukuthi ungifundisile ukuthi no, you prepare, you do this, intshumayelo uyayipreparela, you pray, you do this. And then ngelinye ilanga ngangama phambili, though it was difficult. And then from there, the rest.
Yeah, because I remember ngathi vele isifundise uyibaba ukuthi, but I'm fascinated by the fact Baba 5 years, 6 years amumfaki pressure because I'm asking these questions because we see it a lot kuma young couples abangena kuministry bafaka pressure nekuba nama expectations amaningi kubo mfundisi until they make a lot of mistakes because bangana mentoring, bangana training. And at the same time ukhuluma nge-spiritual father ukuthi should you were learning so much and you were able to teach her ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani i-relationship of a father and a son when it comes to ministry.
Yeah, it's very, very, very crucial in mentorship nokuba ne-spiritual father because nguye lo ozokubamba isandla ahambe nawe along the way and ufunde kuye, uyabona, especially uma une spirit is teachable uzofunda izinto eziningi. And ama spiritual fathers njengalo wami bekashaya, beka strict, yeah, ukwangishaya kaningi, uyabona, beka very strict. Mara mangithi ngiyabheka ngibheke emuva ngithi eish ingonyele le hayi engishaphena le, you know, ngokuba strict and nokuthi angivulela ama opportunities ukuthi ngishumayele mangihamba naye. Ngikhumbula angishumayelisa ku lokhanje ku conference yethu, international conference yethu yase Victory Fellowship athi bana maphalala bathi uyashumayela bese Broncos Parade bangibiza bathi manje sokufake ku line up uzoshumayela. By then I think I was 28 years old, yeah. Mangifaka nezingangara, you know, and yes, yeah, no, uNkulunkulu wangisebenzisa in a mighty way. I can't forget, I won't forget, sorry.
So that's still the 80s time.
Yeah, 80s, yes, 80s, yeah, 80s, yes, yeah, 80s, yeah, yeah, boy. And senza ama outreaches, senza ama soul winning ministries, ama open airs, hospital ministries, school ministry, prison ministry. Yabona, under his leadership ngihamba naye angivulela amathuba. Yabona ukuthi now that's the significance or the importance of having a spiritual father and usubmit kiso. Uyabona, and usilalele noma shaya noma sithethisana. Uyabona, ngangani azange ngale namhlanje ngithe inkosi yami usheshe walala. Uyabona, is with the Lord now. Mfana kubu enjoy ama fruits, but praise God umama usele. Yeah, I'm taking care of mama. Yeah.
No, that's great. But kunenye question I know background yakho ukuthi you were so involved in business ngapha ko-ministry. How did you balance the two? Mhlambe ninomama benirana kanjani ministry ne business?
Yeah.
Those days it was not fashionable. I know ukuthi bwakhona nama mentalities amanye athi awukwazi ukuba ubusiness ngapha uphinde ube ku-ministry kumele uchoose.
Yeah. No, through the help of the Lord. No, uNkulunkulu asisiza kakhulu ngoba sinomama besibambisene. Ngapha siku business sethu run business together. Siku ministry sobabili. Umama ukhona uyangi-assista ku ministry. Mind ungakhohle. Ngabo labo 80s. I remember very well. In 1987 I went to Rhema Bible College.
All right.
Ngapha ngiyafunda. I used to travel ngapha ngirun business. No? Ngapha ngiyatravel ngiya eRandburg, you know. And kodwa ke it's all about commitment, frankly speaking.
Yes.
And the passion, you know, your calling, you know, and ngilokungisiza. And azange ngibe ne challenge enkulu nabafundisi abanye ukuthi ngapha ngirun ministry ngapha ngu business. Yabona? Yeah, I know. I was able to run a ministry and run a business kahle concurrently by the grace of God. Yeah.
Will you encourage that state concentration?
Definitely. I will. And it took me some time before ngena full-time ministry.
Okay.
Yeah. Azange ngithi sengena ku full-time ministry ngeke nomsebenzi. Ngaqhubeka ngasebenza ku business. Until such time that the Lord spoke to me. I'm sure the Lord spoke to me about, if I'm not mistaken, 2001. He said to me, now it's time. You can go full time in the ministry, man. From 84.
Wow.
Yeah.
Almost 20 years.
Yes. And then kuze kube ne balance. Kuthi lethi kube ne balance. Yabona. Because abantu maqala ministry basenga understandanga ngegiving, nge-tithing and yonke lento, uyabona. Now through assistant business I was able to do some other things ngisize ngapha ku ministry. I would encourage the young pastors bangangeni full time ku ministry cala. Uyabona? Mangabasebenza baqhubeke ngokusebenza until the ministry is established. Uyabona? And uNkulunkulu ayiconfirm ukuthi I want you full time.
Wow. No, on the same breath, Mama, what can you advise, especially young people, when it comes to this? Because ku social media igcwele ukuthi abafundisi abafuna ukusebenza.
Mina would encourage kakhulu ukuthi young pastors, because ukhumbula ukuthi ministry, especially ministry mayicala, thina we used to hire chairs, do everything for the ministry. So imagine uqala ministry, you are not working, you don't have any income, you know, and you are expecting sometimes put a pressure even good relationship, you know, because now umama nayo nama expectation wakhe, because ubaba emshadile unama expectations wakhe. Ngapha ministry yiyo lento yenza sometimes uthola ukuthi kuba ne pressure bese kuba nokucabana because akuna income ekhaya. I-ministry ibhekwe ukuthi fanele ukuthi iyondle umfundisi nonkosikazi, ibuye futhi inakekele idingo ze-ministry ayisaqala. And abantu nabaqala, it's not easy ukuthi abantu baku-trust zisuka nje. Thina when we started the ministry, many people told us ukuthi angeke siye ndawo because we were young by then. We were called all those names nje. kwangazuthi siyadlala jam early, all of those things, because we were young, sibancane, and nathi ngokwethu sithi sebheka, and sometimes you even start to believe lezi zinto abazishoyo ukuthi mara ngempela mina personally, because he was called beka focused, mina personally in my prayer closet bengize ngizibuza ukuthi mara asijahlelanga lento, because ngithi ngiyacheka our peers, all of them baziphilela impilo yabo, akukho ababafundisi, siyithi nje, and abafundisi then badala, so thina siyaqala si young siceda ukushada, you know, so i-pressure iningi. So mina I would advise ukuthi until bakhona ukuzimela, i-ministry khona ukuzimela yona, then because ukhumbula ukuthi manicala i-ministry akuna next, akukho umuntu unless uthola i-start from your spiritual father or from wherever la uthola khona i-start, so ukuthi you starting the ministry, there's a building, there's this, there's that. But kahle mina I would encourage abafundisi ukuthi bangayekeli umsebenzi, bangasheshi bayeke umsebenzi, ene nokuthi any business mhlambe angakhona ukuyenza. And I'm happy ukuthi baningi abafundisi manje abazamayo ma businesses, banye bayasebenza, abayekeli ilo dala, they were able abantu bakudala, because cost of living was not like now. Manje cost of living is too high, you know, ngalesa sikhathi izinto bezingafani namanje. So yiko abantu uzothola bacompare abafundisi balesa sikhathi nabafundisi bamanje. Lesa sikhathi umama bekakhona uhlala ekhaya, ngisho nasemakhaya sibekela iministry eceleni, nasemakhaya bekusebenza ubaba, kube uyu baba okhona ukusupporta the whole family, fundisa abantwana wenza yonke into. But isikhathi lesi siphila kiso izinto azisafani nakudala. Yeah.
No, it's true. But i-balance, how do we strike a balance of these two? Ukuthi njengoba ngisho mawuthi sibe full time ku-ministry, singabi full time yet masasaqala ngapha umsebenzi, because sometimes kuba young people bakhala nge-calling ukuthi they feel they have to run, mele babe yonke indawo ngapha nomsebenzi. Ngibuzela mhlambe, if I have to rephrase my question, what do you think is the main cause yokuvalwa kwamasonto amaningi kangaka from young pastors abaqala amasonto amaningi awasurvive even more than 2 years, nalina 5 years kusuke kuyi-break through? So what do you think could be the causes, or is it very some subject esikhuluma ngayo?
Mina ngingayibeka ngendlela eningi ukuthi one of the causes engayenza lokho yile bengikhuluma ngayo, ukuthi akunama-funds. And another thing ukuthi abanye they start a ministry not because of the calling. Okay. Unentshisakalo lo muntu ukuthi I want to start this thing, because God cannot call you and not provide for the calling. I believe mina ukuthi when you are called, uNkulunkulu we are provider and for the calling. So ganenge abanye uthola ukuthi bajumpa the gun. Uthola ukuthi omunye mhlambe i-calling ikhona, but isikhathi akusiso manje isikhathi. Uyangithola? Fanele ukuthi aqale ecala, abe trained, ahlale ecala, and then bese nasesifikile isikhathi esi-right uyaya ku-ministry. Abanye babizelwe ku-ministry but bahleli, yabo. So abantu asifani, abanye ubiziwe unayo i-calling but angayithathi, ayoyithatha later, yabo. But abanye banayo i-calling, umuntu angene, but the mistake eyenza ukuthi bangasurvive abanye baqala ngokuthi nakaqala i-ministry uyekela umsebenzi. And i-ministry ayisafariswa ukuthi uyasebenza uyachayisa. Indaba ukuthi how do you plan your things, because abantu nabakhona, you train these people, use these people, like angazi mfundisi ukuthi thina kudala siku-ministry ne, angeke ilanga lonke bathi uyelapha wayalapha or uhlele ofisini. I-ministry yaqala uhlelele bani ofisini? ubani nomhleleli ofisini iministry yaqala, and then yini oyenzayo the whole day. Unabantu phela sibuya lapho la sinabantu abayi-7 abantu abayi-8, angeke ukuthi I'm full time ngiyohlala beze, and labantu angeke beze ofisini every day. So yiyo le ngithi mina sometimes yiyo eba yinkinga ukuthi ngifuna uba full time and ngiyenzani ilanga lonke, because on Sunday, yes, ama companies amaningi awasebenzi on Sunday unless lo umfundisi uyasebenza on Sunday, but nakhona angaplana izinto zakhe ukuthi lela ngasebenza, you know. Abafundisi futhi manje kumnandi ngoba abafundisi bayakhona ukuthi basebenzisane, akufani nakudala la abafundisi especially thina masicala, because we were called ministries, and then these other ministries lama sonto amadala akhona, they were calling us ministries, yabo. So bekungana kusebenzisana because thina bebasibona kwangazothi bantwana abadlalayo nje siphethe nje, yeah. But manje kuyikhona lento, sekunama fraternals kunani, so ukusebenzisana kwabafundisi I think it can help many ministries ukuthi zikhona ukuthi ziphumelele, zikhona ukusurvive when a pastor is working. I'm talking kuleyo nto leyo ukuthi uma umfundisi esebenza.
But izinto mama zikhuluma baba ungenza enhle ngiba nama goosebumps. I feel ukuthi for the lack of a better word, you owe us a lot of sessions with training as pastors. Because tell mama show nje ukuthi depend on others in growing while you're working so that your family doesn't survive. Because bengifuna ukuya lapho baba ngibuza question ukuthi like njengam personal ministry is too difficult. It's too difficult. Vele I feel like quitting most of the time. But what advice can you say ukuthi mhlambe umuntu afocus kuphi survive kanjani? Because 3 or 4 times manje ngiyaquita bese ngikhumula mali baba ubekezele kungani si fashionable and kunganama necessary. I know ukuthi uyakhuluma ngomfundisi Isaac for instance kubeka le kangali funkhumula kahle. You know, we have a lot of others ngababheka upastor Glenn ukhona like those one, but still it's so difficult. You feel like quitting. What can you say to encourage us with senzeni maybe to keep going?
Yeah, thank you, Pastor Rob. Into edlala a very pivotal role ku ministry, is submission.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. And serving.
All right.
Yabona abafundisa abaningi ne abafuna ukuserve, bafuna ukuserve wabona.
Okay.
Yabona. Abafuna ukusubmit, bafuna abantu basubmit kibo.
Okay.
You see? Now before umfundisi angangena ku ministry, athi sengena ku ministry, fanele enze into ezibalini. Aserve, abe submissive, right?
Okay.
And 3, umfundisi angajaheli ukuba full time ministry, ayekele umsebenzi. Always aconsider ifamily yakhe, ngoba awukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuphatha ibandla malukhule ukuphatha ifamily yakho, ukhule ukusupport ifamily yakho, ukhule ukuthengena isinkwa. Uyabona efana nale.
So are you saying family comes first?
Yes.
Yes.
It's very important.
The first church
is a family.
is your family.
Yeah. Yabona. Na into engifuna letha kubafundisi namhlanje ukuthi ibaleka kangakanani. Your church is your family. Okay. If you fail to serve your family, to look after your family, to support your family, then it's going to be difficult. Uphathi bandla. Yabona. Now please emphasize lento leyo ngiphendule umbuzo wakho ukuthi abafundisi mabaqale ngokuserve, babe submissive, bangayekeli umsebenzi, ne? Mangayekeli family.
Okay. But what if time umsebenza now vele dale mina singivula ngoba vele ngibona income?
Yeah. Inkulu danger lapho. Yeah. Awungeni ku ministry ngoba ufuna imali. Balemazo imali. Abanye bababheka abafundisi abadala nakibo, babona success yabo. Bacabanga ukuthi nabo kuzoba njalo. Abayazi price abayibhadalile. yabona of years yabona mina nje ngikhuluma nawe so ngina 42 years ku ministry still namanje asekhona ama challenges you can go to any man of God okudala asefundini uzokutshela ukuthi hayi angeke athi ku easy no asekhona
building after how many years? I'm just
oh
ministry.
thank you ngibe exhibene building
Yeah. I think after Boma 15 years that we bought the land.
ngibeke so sithenge we got the land ne ngo 1987 ne yeah the land ngifunda Rhema by then
Not 87, Scott.
not
Not 87.
okay
We got the land 1990.
The last 14.
Lela 14. Yes.
yeah
1990.
okay umama uthi 1990 ke right siqale ukwakha ngo-19 in the 90s yeah in the 90s and it took us years
Kuba nendawo yokukhonza lenjengasefayisa ukungena nje bathi na indawo yokukhonza it was how many years? Because personally I'm frustrated lo kungabi indawo yokukhonza is so difficult.
With us, we started in ministry ekhaya and then saphuma
Egarages.
egarage. So nasiphuma egarage sayocasha eLutheran Baptist Church, which is a story for another day because basicosha. Yeah. So nasisuka khona. So eAfsho eMushari. Nakhona basicosha ngobe isidumba sakhe.
Bokunelo khanje lapho bokune chapel
Chapel, okay.
yeah sayezi chapel
Yeah.
nakhona zange hlala isikhathi basixosha bathi solo ufike thina abantu abasangeni isidumba siseke beams aseko abantu sebayaphila uyabona okay sachubeka futhi lapho saya Old Indian Local School nakhona sachubeka saba ne challenge
All Indian school, the challenge was, we didn't have a challenge ukuthi siphume, but ukuthi basicosha. But we had a challenge ukuthi because by vandalize, by keep nini siyafika sifakile iminyango ukuthi umnyango bawukhiphile. Nini bamoshile phakathi umuntu uvele nje wafika nje wazibonela itoilet or ini, you know. And then we decided ukuthi no asikwazi ukusebenzela emuva because now sifaki iminyango sifaka amafestera nini bawakhiphile awekho nasifika sikhonzela akuna mafestera akuna minyango mara sifakile sizama uyirenovate ayisiyethu so decide ukuthi you know what la angeke sikhona ukulunga and then
Asalanga iminyaka eminingi.
sihleli iminyaka sigcine singasayilungisi sibize Ratha House and then we decided ukuthi siye
uNkulunkulu abamuhle sichipini lapho kumama uNkulunkulu abamuhle okay sathola indawo Far Eastern Dryclean bokuyilondri yakudala
but before Scott before siye Far Eastern siye saya eholweni community hall
yes yeah
and a community hall yayazi musi i-community hall bebangayisebenzisi on Sundays but ngobe sesifikile and then kwaba nenkinga sekunebandla and then sabona ukuthi siba nenkinga manje sebafuna ulihayara on Sunday all of a sudden
into bengenzeki
into beyenzeki so
Lana explains the same thing.
yeah and then ke yilesikhathi ke sesiphuma ke nakhona
I-20 years iphelile.
yeah iphelile i-20 years iphelile silapho sise
Why after 5 years siyastress kungathi siyafika ku-ministry?
20 years hayi that's why ngisho iminisi ifuna nokubekezela ne calling ungayi kuminisi ngementality ukuthi we are going to make money, it's business, you know. You cannot commercialize the church.
So it's not that 20 years ngana building alifeyilanga.
Even 30 because abantu into abafeyili ukuyi-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu unikeza igrace and omunye angaba ku ministry 5 years akhe or 3 years omunye afike nje ku ministry aphume so And abaningi sibheka abantu kanti uNkulunkulu makakubizile ukubize uneplan yakho yakhe ngempilo yakho and nesikhathi uyazi ukuthi yisiphi isikhathi yena azosebenzisa for wena ukuthi uyithole ibreakthrough yakho. So thina with many years singanayo ibuilding sicasha senzani even nakhona extension 14 sesinendawo sicale etendeni itendeni nini niliwile yafika nithi nizokhonza umoya uthethe itende sikhonzela ngaphandle. So these are challenges ezikhona ku ministry. So no,
but manje ngichallenge ukuthi ingcondo yami kumaths manje ngibala leminyaka yeni should isina 40 something mas anna building
usho 40 something age bese siloko siyachubeka. Mina at one stage I told him ukuthi kanti sifela ini why isingayeki lento sichubeke ku business because now we are supporting this thing engayindawo ukhipha imali uyifaka lana but ayisiboni yapi wathi no yaka uNkulunkulu le. So ngesikhathi esi-right
because ngibona leyo consistency school of life programs baba you go sometimes ngive namkhathela baba mara school of life come rain or shine i-service ikhona and then any pressure baba mhlambe bakhona to your family especially the children because maningi ama-documentary where we see a lot of pastor kids complaining and struggling. How did you balance that? Because mina ngikhule siza almost every Sunday sizodla kwakho after church.
Yes.
The financial implications, the dishes that must be washed, private time. Sunday thina sazi the female time rest, but you open your house for years. How did you balance that, especially when it comes to your children and the time they needed from you?
Beyinzima leyo. And si discover late ukuthi limaza abantwana bethu. That is why when we advise abafundisi manje sithi your family comes first because it's God, it's your family, it's the ministry.
And the family yakho has to chip in there iyayidinga privacy.
Yes.
Yabona thina by then misivule ikhaya lethu nje ubusho abakhona babahlala khona bakhona abadla khona ngithi nje ngebreak nabo amboni babize ngamagama yabona naba yathona bavula amafridge bayenzani yema bongana private
basekhona marino lives abavula amafridge.
No, because in ministry one of the things ngeministry iyakufundisa ezinye izinto and uma ungakafundanga uzoloku ubuyela kulawo ma mistakes lawo. uNkulunkulu lapho wasiza and okumnandi ukuthi even nabo labo sebakhulile labazalwane they came back ukuthi eshimara besin abuser. We remember sivele sifike uthi umunye umzalwane mina ama conflicts ngawafunda emzilweni ngivele ngivule ngikhipha ibisi ngifake ngenzeni but ngiyacabanga senginowami umuzi nginebama abantwana ukuthi if this beyenzeka kimi bengizofila kanjani. And kithi we thought that was ministry yabo and not knowing ukuthi that's not ministry. Abantwana bayalimala because we remember ukuze sithuthe size sisuke vele naselokishini. One of our daughters uyazikhulumela unaki was approach wenza meeting wathi thina sesikhulile manje we can't afford ukuthi every Sunday we cook meals ngathi sisemshadweni siyabona ngelanguage manje ithenda asikwazi uba nethenda yabo every Sunday sinethenda labazalwane and we don't have a privacy and kwasivula amehlo lokho ukuthi abantwana bethu bayalimala because we prioritize ibandla over abantwana bethu and over our family and yaputha istrain ku relationship yethu nabantwana and then sayibona and then sayirectify. The first thing esidecidile ukuthi because manje si createile lento and seyijwayelekile and ukuyobahluthula nakhona sobalimaza abazalwane is just to move buy a house away from ilokishini and then steps sokuqala ukumove sihambe lokho kwasisiza kakhulu and then abantwana nabaqala abakhula nabo ezinye izinto bazibona ukuthi no this so kwasisiza nathi ukuthi young pastors abakhulayo siyabatshela nasibona benza lama mistakes ukuthi you don't uthatha abazalwane sebakwakho sekuyadiwa nini sebayangena nje kuyaphunywa ini because abantwana they want i-privacy and lokho kwenza nabantwana ukuthi at least mabasekhaya kibo bafeel ukuthi basekhaya and kuyakhona ukuthi ezinye izinto kube mnandi ekhaya than nini nisahleli bhobo yabo so yeah
bangena ku space sabo abanye abazalwane bafuna ukulala khona lapha ekhaya nabanye ya basuka embedeni abanye beza ngamabhek bazovakasha basitshelanga uyabona
just nje to bring this a joke to bring this it's a joke but it's a reality kuno mama weza vela petty bag unannounced azovakasha and then our daughter lo ngithi mina we wasivula amehlo unake amqonda straight ukuthi uzolala la wathi hayi angeke ulale la wambalela ukuthi amakamera wabubani mangibuya mina ngisho ngisabhizi ngenza amatiye mangibuya ngiyambona ukuthi sekashintshile hayi mina sengiyahamba hayi man bo umuntu othi uzolala indaba umntana wakho ungicoshile I felt bad ukuthi ngazothi ucoshwe yimi umntana wakho ungicoshile ungibalele ukuthi ubani ulala kuphi ubani ulala kuphi or ulala no bhuti nile ngaphandle ngobe la ubani ulala kuphi ubani ulala kuphi so nase sefike lapho sabona nathi ukuthi sekunzima manje ukuthi abantwana they need their privacy so i-ministry because nabazali emsebenzini yabo la abasebenza khona I mean bayasebenza nabaqeda babuye ekhaya abalandelwa abantu basemsebenzini bezekhaya so saqala uhlukanisa ukuthi we really need i-privacy as a family so kufanele kube nomehluko abantu nabeze efamilini nabantu nabeze enkonzweni
yeah no it's been very challenging but we thank God ukuthi asisize thina at least nibe ama-mentors wethu to learn from you but kunenye subject ke because of time bekufisa ukuthi singavali singayikhulumi the pain of the ministry especially when it comes to sons and daughters akhuliswayo the way they live and the way they spread things how do you handle that because any challenge engibonayo khona ku ministry ukuthi sons and daughters don't appreciate because they don't know the value sometimes of their spiritual parents and then ama-rumors or angazi nibize ngithini where you find ukuthi other pastors they get so angry then they start cursing and talking things because of the hate of the people they've invested in for years so what advice can you say zithu lezinto ngifuna i-advice which we can give to young pastors when they are left by people they've put their heart on because as much as by petition that's not trusting but we do okusalayo ukuthi awubani khonza nathi siyamthemba masinayi then they leave them and they realize bahamba kanjani so we dump and it's so painful how do we handle the thing so that we can continue successfully in ministry
can I come in we are touching a very very sensitive topic you know ayikho into ebuhlungu ukubetray ama-sons ayikho into ebuhlungu ukushiwa ama-sons wakho or invest a lot kibo ne at the same time you know nathi abazali njengoba ngishilo about my spiritual father ne kuba khona isikhathi la thothi phela ibandla liyafana nefamily njengoba ngishilo yantona abantwana bami la efamilini uma benza wrong ngiyabathethisa yantona sometimes abanye ubathethisela nento abangayenzanga but lokho akusho ukuthi abantwana bamfane bangishiye bashintshe isibongo sobohlala next door uyangithola ukuthi ubaba ngithethisile ubaba 1 2 3 4 5 ipain el serious lena ukushiya ama sons and daughters or invest everything yakho kibo ne and abaphuma bakhulume kabi uyabona efana nale ngifuna ukuletha nje ukuthi nathi ama-fathers akuthi perfect sinawo ama-mistakes njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kwenza ukuthi umntwana uyamthethisa kwenye into akenzanga iphutha uyabona noma iphutha elenzile mara kalibonanga i-approach ne-tone yabona kula ngibone khona ama-sons ayahlala ke lapho uthi if ukhulume nami so ya ukhulume nami so yabona hayi ngiyahamba mina yabona akwazi ukukhuluma nami so yabona ngifuna ukuthi ama-sons nama-fathers mababuyelane ama-sons nawo kunala enze khona iphutha nathi bobaba nala senze khona iphutha sabathukuthelisa nabo basithukuthelisile sireconcile ya into engayisho nje angeke ngithi ngiblame kakhulu nama-sons nathi bobaba kunala siyenze khona siba provoke khona yabona ya kodwa ke not intentionally so when ukhuluma nomntwana kanti ukhuluma nomuntu ojodi angakuphendula manje angathatha isikhwama sakhe aphuma ahambe uyabona lapho I want to emphasize ukuthi akube khona i-reconciliation between sons and fathers kule miside nomama uNkulunkulu usizile we have never cursed our sons when they leave us when they leave us when they leave us we'll pray for them ukuthi uNkulunkulu basize uyabona singacapitalize ku pain ngoba njobusho nje enye into yenza ama-fathers a release ne curse yi-pain uyabona ne-investment uyabona ya kodwa ke uNkulunkulu kule area wasiza namaye sabathandazela and abaningi sababona bayabuya kithi uyabona kodwa it's not easy, it's very painful. Yeah.
Nekakhulukazi when somebody akuphuma akhuluma yabo umnandi umuntu othulayo ubhlungu onamagama because don't ungakhohle ukuthi abantu they come back and tell you yabo and okunye ama assumptions you just assume ukuthi kusokungasinjalo yabo you assume izinto ukuthi zinjalo zingasinjalo so ama hearsays nama assumptions ayahlupha because most of the time mawungathi uyachecka you go back to mara kumosheke kuphi it's assuming ukuthi kuyenziwa so or ukucabangela and then bese kuba nokuhlukana between sons and but okunye engingakusho ukuthi abanye vele because okunye kufanele sikunderstand ukuthi iministry njalo iyafana nasekhaya abantwana abanye bayakhula fanele bakhule bashade baye emakhaya bayokucala imizi yabo but ifanele nethi baphume kahle ngoba umntwana nasekakhulile vele ifanele ayocala ikhaya lakhe so khona laba vele abangahlali abafanele baphume bayocala ikhaya kodwa fanele baphume ngesibusiso sasekhaya bahambe bayocala wherever bacala khona and then okunye ukuthi okunye kwama-sons abanye baphuma ngokuthi bayocala kahle abanye baphuma ngalendlela le esisho ukuthi abaphumi kahle kodwa ke kufanele ukuthi sikwamukele lokho uthi uPaul kunamazwi akhuluma uPaul angishayayo uthi uPaul nithini bakaPaulos nithini bakabani uthi kodwa uyatshala uPaul uApollos uPaul uyawothaka uthi but umuntu okhulisayo uNkulunkulu so akubalekanga abanye they come just for you to lay a foundation and then omunye ahamba yokhulisa yabona kunabantwana bethu esibazele vele bakaMarech basekhaya sengicede indaba yami labantwana bethu bayakhula umkhulisa umntwana uthi nesesekakhulile uyenze yonke into bese uyashada uya somewhere else uyabona into enjalo so ne ministry kufanele ukuthi sikuthathe kanjalo but umntwana maseka hambile ashadile asamwe akakhohlwe ekhaya uyabuya nandazo sicheck ekhaya call sometimes yabona so I ministry bengifisa ukuthi ngathi kungaba njalo ukuthi even noma abantwana bethu because I mean uJesu bongeke umazi if it wasn't that spiritual father sakho bongeke umazi uJesu lo owakushumayela lo owatshala lembewu ukuthi ibe khona so kaningi lo wa expose uJesu waletha uJesu so kaningi we forget where we come from and kuyingozi ukuthi sikhohlwe la sibuya khona umbona umntana wakho uyacabanga ngikhulisa uPrecious sekamdala sengiyambona nanya sekahambela lenekudeni yeah uyabona so ngobe nesibongo sakhe sesitshintshile sisewakaZulu sewakaMrupa so ne ministry njalo akumelanga ukuthi sesibonelana ekudeni sekungazothi azange sazana we need to advance this kingdom because the kingdom kaNkulunkulu needs to be advanced by all of us. So mina ngingakusho egcineni ukuthi let sons their fathers and us nje kube nje a big family singamvumeli usathane ukuthi achithele into kaNkulunkulu enhle.
Nala silimazane khona si reconcile. Yeah, sixolelane siqhubeke as a family. Njengoba kwenzeka kuma family wonke. Awuyikho ifamily engaxabani. Yeah, kodwa benzani emva kaloko bayabuyisana, baxolana echubeka impilo. Yabona thandelo libalekile. Uyabona? Thank you.
Guys, okay, fine. As a background or as Christians, we cannot assume ukuthi channel yethu yobukelwa ama-Christians phela because it's a public channel. What can we say? Ngifila ngathi it's very important, especially baba nomama as gatekeepers, ukuthi let's address manje people who don't go to church. Abathatha isonto balicuphe kancane from ama-hearsay. Emasontweni ngidla imali. Emasontweni lisabafundisi this and that. You know, most social media with this spread all kind of bad things. What can we say kulaba babukele ba understand the challenges as face abafundisi for the communities or for their community the church as a whole? What can we say to invite them and to entice them to give the church a chance and coming to learn about the church? Bangalizwa from starting on social media. What is the church?
Thank you very much. Can I chip in? Can I chip in? Yes. Yeah. You said something very fundamental, very important. Uma balekude angeke babone kwenzekani. Let them come close. Yabona bazokhona ukubona ukuthi kwenzekani la. Nokuthi ukudliwa kwezimali abakhuluma ngako yini. Because izimali ezikhishwa kwesontweni zama projects wesonto zokuthi zoku advance. I want to njengathi the kingdom of God. Njengathi esontweni sine compassion ministry. Yabona lana sikhipha khona ukudla, sikhipha khona izimpahla, sisiza abantu. Kunesikhwama saloko, kunekhofa yaloko.
Okay. Engakusho ukuthi everybody is welcome. Isonto it's like isibhedlela. Because abantu abaningi bathi ngizoyekela ukuphuza kuqala before ngize esontweni, ngizoyekela lo. Ayakuziyekelele. Fana nomuntu ogulayo ahlale ekhaya athi ngizophola. Uphola njani uhlele ekhaya? Because mawugula uye esibhedlela. Isibhedlela is meant for sick people. So that those sick people bazokhona ukuphola. Our community is sick, we have abuse, we have all these things because people don't come and fellowship with other men who will speak sense, who are in the same situation. Like ubaba oke wa abuser, ukhona uNkulunkulu amsize. So when you come to church, you come to a fellowship la ifana nefamily la ifana nesibhedlela la abantu bakhini khona spiritually, emotionally, you know, mentally, you know, you get to know ukuthi how a wife is treated, how a husband is treated, and you get to know as a young person ukuthi uzigcina kanjani, because sinabantu abasha who doesn't know ukuthi ngicala kuphi ngishona kuphi le life engiphilayo is it, you know. So coming to church helps with so many things ukuthi umuntu uvuleka amehlo ukuthi ukuthi ngikhona ukugcineka kahle, these are things ekufanele ukuthi ngizenze. And abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ukuba kuNkulunkulu it's a difficult thing. No, it's not difficult, you know. So engingakusho ukuthi they can come as they are, you know. Yes, because uNkulunkulu uthi yena uluthando. Akathi ngizoninika uthi ngiluthando. So in other words, when you draw closer to this love, because he is love, uba engulfed ngothando, automatically you become transformed, bese nangabe bonganalo uthando uba nalo. So I can invite abasha, abancane, whether ushadile ushadanga, uyaphuza awuphuzi, isonto ayisilabantu aba perfect, but elabantu abazowakhiwa, abantu abazokhenikwa, ufika lapha bese uNkulunkulu uyakusiza. And it takes not isikhathi esifanayo. Abanye umuntu ufika asizakale nje afika, omunye years, bese after years athi yazi I didn't know ukuthi angenzi kahle, but ngobe uloku uyaza nasesibhedlela kukhona abathatha treatment, umuntu namanje soloko since 80s usathatha treatment. Kunalabo abafika 3 months seka right uyabuyela ekhaya sekaphilile. So nasesontweni nedo kufunekayo ukuthi thina njengabazalwane, njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu sibekezelelane, sibekezele nabantu, because into elimaza abantu uthola abantu bangalifuni isonto ukuthi asibabekezeleli. And sikhumbule ukuthi i-transformation abanye ayenzeki overnight. It's gradual, it takes time. So yiyo lento engingayisho.
Ngicela sibafakele sikhume na-address ntomari sizozama siyibhale nala ku-screenini, but extension 14 ku-outline leyo nobayibiza kanjani?
I-1255 eLulwane ngasethenkini mawuya ngasemathenkini lawa angase Highveld, kunama-flat wase Highveld. La udlule emsahweni ubuya e-KG Mall nje la vele ku-main road. And then bese extension
1255
iLulwane Street, extension 14 is Nambeni. And then bese ke elokishini eMakuleni la bekuyi-dry clean, Far Eastern dry clean. Yes.
Okay, and then ama-branches nawo esiwangakhumbula fast. Encourage people to go.
Tembisa, East London, Bethal, Kriel. And then locally, Clarinet, kodwa sisabaletha la because we are having a land, we'll soon start, but ke baseza ngapha.
Sizomuva, sizoqala umsebenzi futhi njengoba uNkulunkulu abeke enhlizweni yami, sizoya eMiddelburg, sizoya eBronkhorstspruit. Okay. Sithathe manje iMiddelburg Bronkhorstspruit for now.
All right.
Yes.
No, that's
this
great.
year.
Okay. No, sibonge kakhulu ama-social media platforms ngicela sizowabhala now because I don't think singawakhumbula nekhanda or
yes.
Mara i-Rock of Ages Church International,
yes.
I know ku-Facebook.
Yes.
Because but kumele unifesazo Church International because kungabayo ku-Rock of Ages.
Yes.
Yes, and then i-page le-YouTube nalo mhlawumbe sisazomele sibenze more active.
Yes.
Sibeef up and then
that's right.
Yeah, and then amanye ke sokhuma no-pros mawakhona since the show siyawabhala screen for people to keep in touch.
Yes.
It was a pleasure, Makeba, Bishop, Gatekeeper, Mama, to give us this opportunity to get to know you. But I feel after we spoke about the ministry, sizocela ukuthi mhlambe sibe namanye episodes in the future. La sizongena deep, especially with doctrine.
Yes.
And then nezinye izinto mhlambe sizodinga training sometimes khona nomama yedwa.
Yeah.
Akhume nawo umfundisi and then sibe nobaba naye futhi sibe nesikhathi la sizokhuluma nabo baba sodwa. So I thank you so much for the privilege. Lokuthi nisiphe lesikhathi ukuthi sikhulume nani, get to know you. I hope abalaleli nababukeli they will be blessed by this episode. May God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.